Hi everyone, my name is Alejandro Mesas, and today I'm gonna give it a try to the new Gemini model. In order to do that, I'm gonna pick up a simple use case. The use case is gonna be, let's say you have you have a looker, and you have different localized file, right? So in this different localized file, well, the idea, as you well know, is you're gonna have different keys and text, in this case in English, and let's say you're gonna translate them to Spanish. What else? So in order to do that, first thing I will do is just copy the JSON file that you're going to translate. Go to Vertex AI, and then in Vertex AI Studio, open a new prompt, and then here, let's say translate this looker, localize JSON to Spanish, right? And then just pretty much copy the localize, and you click submit, and then this will translate you, as you can see. Well, this is actually understanding. Well, this is a JSON file, and then the keys continue being the same, but I'm only going to translate the content, like vuelos, identificación, país de partida, etc. Let's say this is nice, but you're gonna write the code out of this, right? So then you have here the option of get code, and this will give you some Python code that is going to do is gonna instantiate the model, it's gonna call the model, and then it's gonna pass the JSON file to translate. So let's say this is nice, but you want to now make it more generic, right? So now what you want to maybe do is you have a list of files in a bucket with all the localized files. Then you want to iterate through the bucket. Then you would like to get the content, translate, and after send back to a different bucket. In order to do that, I already prepared here a prompt to save some time, and that's pretty much what I'm gonna tell now the LLM, like having the following code here. See the code. Please extend it to first read the files, read the content, generate a prompt that say this, and then write the files back to a different bucket. Let's click submit. Let's see what it's gonna say. I mean, indentation here is not very good, alright, so let's do our best. So first of all, is importing the libraries he needs, is creating here and stuff the model, Gemini, Provisio, and then here you have different like storage bucket, the client, then you have the bucket, then the list, and then here what it's gonna be doing is for each of the files that you have in there, it's going, like I said, this is inside the loop. It's going to extract the content. Very good. It's going to create a prompt that say translate these, adding the content. Then after is going to, well, here it's going to set up some temperature of the LLM. You can of course change these. And then after this, what it's going to be doing is it's going to write the output to a different bucket. So this is the second bucket, right? And then inside the second bucket, what it's going to be doing is going to be writing this code. And then after he will call the method generate. Right? Of course, you can play around with these, make it try with different prompts if you want to customize your code, etc. Of course, if you have something like Visual Studio, you can definitely just, if let's say you have a file, this is your JSON file with your localize, you could just pretty much select these and say, please translate to Spanish. And then what this is going to do, well, same thing, right? He's understanding, well, this is a file, so JSON file, and then he's going to be translating the text, keeping the keys as they are. So that's it for my side. Hope you enjoy this very short video. See you in the next one.